Xerox Printer Error Code 091912 indicates an issue with the transfer belt unit. This belt is crucial for transferring toner from the drum to the paper. When this error appears, printing operations will halt. This video will guide you through understanding and fixing this common error. Several factors can trigger error 091-9112 in Xerox printers. The most common cause is mechanical wear and tear on the transfer belt. Over time, the belt stretches from repeated use, typically after 50,000 to 100,000 pages, leading to misalignment that the printer detects as a fault. Another frequent cause is contamination from dust or toner buildup on the transfer belt. This buildup can interfere with the belt's smooth movement and conductivity, particularly in dusty or humid environments where particles accumulate more easily. Sensor malfunctions are also a common trigger. The printer's sensors monitor the transfer belt's position, tension, and alignment. If these sensors fail or become inaccurate, they can misread the belt's status, causing the printer to display error 091-912, even when the belt is functioning properly. Improper installation of the transfer belt can also be a factor. During belt replacement or maintenance, if the belt is not aligned or tensioned correctly, it may cause the same symptoms as wear, prompting the error code. Finally, electrical faults or voltage irregularities can trigger this error. The transfer belt system depends on stable power for its sensors and motors. Fluctuations in voltage from unstable power sources can cause the printer to detect false faults, emphasizing the need for a reliable electrical connection. Start with the simplest solution. Power cycle your printer. Turn it off, wait 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the error. Next, inspect the transfer belt area. Open the printer and carefully check for any visible debris, toner buildup, or signs of misalignment. Clean the area gently with a dry, lint-free cloth. Xerox printers have built-in diagnostic tests that can help identify specific issues with components like the transfer belt. To access these tests, consult your printer's user manual for detailed instructions on navigating the printer's menu system. You can also use the Xerox eSolutions app on your smartphone or computer to run diagnostics remotely. This app provides step-by-step guidance and can connect directly to your printer for troubleshooting. Running these diagnostic tests will pinpoint the exact problem, whether it's a sensor malfunction, mechanical fault, or alignment issue. This targeted approach saves time compared to guessing at fixes. Accessing advanced diagnostics often requires administrator codes. Common codes include 1111 or 6789, entered through the printer's control panel. These codes unlock the service menu where tests can be initiated. Remember to always refer to your specific printer model's manual, as access methods and codes can vary. The diagnostic results will guide you to the appropriate repair steps or when to call for professional service. When cleaning and diagnostic tests fail to resolve error 091-912, the transfer belt likely needs replacement. Transfer belts typically last between 50,000 and 100,000 pages before wear affects their performance. To find the correct replacement part, refer to your printer's manual for the specific part number. For example, some Workcenter models use part number 108R01099. During replacement, carefully follow the instructions in your printer's manual. Ensure the printer is powered off and use appropriate tools. If you're unsure, consult a professional technician to prevent damage or voiding the warranty. Keep your printer's firmware up to date. Xerox releases updates that include enhanced self-diagnostic routines which proactively address the transfer belt error. For newer, Connect Key-enabled Xerox devices, cloud-based monitoring and predictive analytics help anticipate belt failures, reducing downtime significantly. Regular updates can prevent future occurrences of error 091-9112. Real-world examples show how different organizations have successfully addressed Xerox error 091-9112. A large financial services company with a fleet of 500 Versalink C405 printers faced frequent errors due to dusty office conditions. By adopting Xerox's annual maintenance contracts and applying firmware updates, they achieved a 40% reduction in error frequency, resulting in $50,000 savings from reduced downtime. Another example comes from a boutique print shop in New York, where Workcenter 7835 printers experienced recurring errors triggered by humidity fluctuations. The solution involved switching to Xerox's specialized humidity-resistant belt kits and utilizing the Connect Key app for real-time monitoring and alerts. This approach led to 95% printer uptime following the fix. These real-world cases underscore the importance of preventive maintenance and customized solutions that address specific environmental challenges. Whether dealing with dust in corporate offices or humidity in specialized print shops, proactive measures can dramatically improve printer reliability and reduce operational costs. Experts emphasize that error 09192 is often a maintenance opportunity. AI-driven diagnostics are increasingly helping users avoid belt errors through simple app-based checks. Statistics show that this error accounts for about 8% of all reported errors in Xerox MFDs. According to surveys, 65% of users resolve this independently via online guides, while 25% require professional service. The average fix cost ranges from $150 to $300, but predictive maintenance can cut this by 50%. Remember to consult Xerox's official website or app for the latest fixes and model-specific advice.